Alright, hello guys. Today we're gonna start 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube. This 3-video playlist will just basically tell y'all exactly how to solve the 2x2 in 3 steps. If you see any value in this content, go ahead and like, subscribe, follow any of the social medias that I have. Anyways, let's get started. So step 1, as you saw, is making the white face in the first layer. So basically what we want to do is you want to have your white face on top, and you want to have the first layer be basically all the same colors. So basically what we want to do is we want to find a color that matches orange and blue, since these are the border colors of this white top. So we have orange right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slide this white piece one over here, so that way when we bring this guy up here, and if you don't know how to do it, I have a video on how to move the bottom pieces to the top. So this algorithm that we're going to follow: down, right side down, down side right, right side up. So now we have the first layer and we have the top face. Now these two pieces, we want them up here, but we have to bring them down here. So how do we do that? To bring a piece down, right side down, bottom row, clockwise, right side up. Now we have it down. And since this is blue, since this white piece has a blue border and this white piece has a blue border, when we bring this white piece up here, they're gonna match. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So when you have a piece on the right, bottom side to the left, right side down, bottom row to the right, right side up. And now we have this, this, and this. And now we're gonna bring this guy down here. So down, right, left side up. So now, since we have it on the left, we're gonna follow the other algorithm, which is basically the same thing but the inverse. So bottom row to the right, left side down, bottom row to the left, left side up. Now we have the top face, which is all white, and we have the first layer set up. Also, if you don't understand the cube notation, I have a video on that, so go ahead and be sure to click that if you don't. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. In the next 2 videos, I'm going to go over steps 2 and 3. Thank you.